See, the thing about this virus is it doesn't care if you're black or white, or a celebrity or a regular person, or a Hindu or a Christian or a Muslim or an atheist, and which party you belong to. It's attacking all of us as a mankind. This is the situation where it requires us to think together to fight back. Because now lockdowns are all relaxed and all the businesses are back to normal. It's in our hands now to be careful, to be safe, to wear proper masks and disinfect ourselves each time we go out. But we as a humanity, I feel, will surely bounce back. We bounced back from the cholera in 1975, smallpox in 1974. Remember how bad the plague was in Surat in 1994. So many people died. We fought the SARS virus in 2004. We got out of dengue and chikungunya in 2006. We bounced back from swine flu, Nipah virus, you name it, keep them coming. We'll emerge stronger, bolder, and better than we ever did. See, the doctors and healthcare workers who are working 20 to 22-hour shifts without rest. They're already great, but the coronavirus is exposing their greatness. The teachers who are trying their best to still teach students online, even during this pandemic. The teachers were always great, but this virus is exposing their greatness. Think about our police force here, who were on the scorching summer roads during the lockdown. This virus is exposing their greatness too. They're all warriors fighting this virus for us. This social distancing thing definitely changed our lives for a long time to come. But let's all be united in love, in our service to one another, because all of us are together in this war on corona. Some of us fight by staying at home. Some of us will fight by going to work. Isn't it? During this lockdown, did you observe? It brought the people at home together. All these days we were living different, distant, busy lives. But this lockdown made us live with each other in harmony, whether we liked it or not. I knew some of us may be going through a rough patch and things may be in depression due to lockdown and unemployment, or the loss of a loved one or a family member, and many would have lost our jobs. I know, it feels bad. Life suddenly came to a standstill for many of us. None of us expected this. But believe me, after the end of the tunnel, there's always light. After night comes morning. And when it does, we will get back even stronger and happier than before. Mark my words. Remember, the only thing that is always constant in life is change. If today is a dull day, tomorrow will change. It will be a bright and powerful day. And not to mention those of you who are always lazy and prefer to be alone, or introverts like me, this is your time to benefit the society greatly by doing nothing but staying at home. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity that we become useful by doing nothing, isn't it? So finally, whether we are a part of the solution or not, let's not become a part of the problem. So stay safe, don't panic, we'll come out of this together.